Hey there, Dave here from SolarReviews.com, and today's video is about the 3 steps to planning the best grid-tied solar panel installation. For today's video, we take a look at the 3 steps to planning the best grid-tied solar panel installation. Step 1, selecting the best solar manufacturer. The first thing you need to do is decide what brands of solar equipment you want to buy. Familiarize yourself with the different manufacturers by visiting websites like www.solarreviews.com to get consumer reviews of the manufacturers you are considering. Don't leave yourself open to being exploited by companies who sell low-quality brands at high prices. Researching on the internet can give you the most complete case study information provided through consumer solar panel reviews. At SolarReviews.com, there are provided expert reviews on the top 5 brands of solar panels used in residential solar installations in America. These reviews also take into account the corporate and financial structure of the solar panel manufacturer, which is something that is very important when buying solar panels because of the long-term solar warranties that come with solar panels. Perhaps the biggest decision you have to make is not the brand of solar panel, but the brand of solar inverter and the type of solar inverter you wish to use. This information will help you compare the best type and brand of solar inverter. Step 2, finding the best local solar contractor to install it. Now that you have an idea of the brands of system you would like to install, your next step is to find local solar installation contractors that work with the brand you desire. Local installers can be researched on the internet. Be sure to check out www.solarreviews.com to find consumer reviews on the installers as well. Step 3, getting the solar panel installation you want at the best price. Once you know the brand and type of solar equipment you want, find local solar contractors who sell those brands and have good reputations. Then all that is left to do is to get the best deal that you can. Fortunately, many solar quoting marketplaces have popped up that can allow you to get a number of quotes from local solar companies. Of these solar quoting marketplaces, SolarEstimate.org is considered the leading website. It is the only solar quoting website that allows you to choose how many solar companies you share your details with. More than 300,000 consumers have used SolarEstimate.org to estimate their solar savings and how many solar panels are needed to achieve the results desired.